CDC was sent to Atlanta for analysis, and tissue samples from the autopsies were also collected and analyzed. CDC investigators had plenty of competing theories. Swine flu was at the top of their list since the symptoms were similar. Parrot fever was also a possibility, a disease spread by sick pigeons. Perhaps a massive piece of food poisoning
Hiccup.
caused by a problem at one of the convention's half-dozen hotels. Was it a new strain of venereal disease called super gonorrhea? The
The hell's
symptoms